Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to close Mazda CX-5 side mirrors. First, let's cover manual folding. Simply grasp the mirror housing firmly with your hand. Then, gently push the mirror towards the vehicle's body. You'll feel it click securely into its folded position. To unfold, just pull the mirror back until it locks into place. This is a straightforward method for any situation. Many Mazda CX-5 models offer a convenient power folding feature. Look for the mirror control panel, typically found on the driver's door armrest. You'll see a dedicated button, often with a mirror icon. Press this button once, and both side mirrors will automatically fold inward. Press it again, and they will smoothly unfold. This makes parking in tight spots much easier. For even greater convenience, some Mazda CX-5 vehicles can automatically fold their mirrors when you lock the car. This smart feature is usually configurable within your vehicle's settings menu. It's a fantastic way to protect your mirrors without thinking about it. Always refer to your owner's manual for precise instructions on how to enable or disable this automatic function for your specific model. So, when should you fold your mirrors? It's highly recommended in tight parking spaces, narrow garages, or when parking on busy streets. Folding them helps protect against accidental bumps and scrapes, potentially saving you costly repairs. It also reduces your vehicle's overall width by several inches, making it safer for pedestrians and other vehicles passing by. It's a simple habit with big benefits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.